Welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and today we are going to be making a yummy recipe from this cookbook, United We Eat. This was written by a former legislator in Ohio. Her name is Capri Cafaro.
This book features recipes from across the country. Every state in the country is represented. And to write the book, Cafaro collected recipes from lawmakers, both Democrat and Republican. The intent of the book, she says, is to bring people together through good food. Cafaro says she used to celebrate legislative victories by making a pie for her fellow lawmakers. And today we are going to be making the recipe that represents Arizona in the book. It's a breakfast chimichanga with turkey sausage and jalapenos. We are going to start by melting a little bit of butter in a skillet. We are then going to brown about half a cup of turkey sausage, and then we're going to add some veggies, a diced onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. That's followed by about half a cup of sliced mushrooms. Next, we're going to add 2 beaten eggs along with some salt and pepper. We're going to cook this mixture until the eggs are finished. Then we're going to remove everything from the heat and transfer the mixture to a bowl. This egg and veggie mixture smells so delicious. We're going to scoop half the mixture into one flour tortilla, then we're going to fold it up, and then the other half is going to go into another flour tortilla, and we're going to fold both of those up. The recipe also calls for cheese, and I forgot to add the shredded cheese before rolling up my tortillas, so I had to go back and unfold them and add the cheese. Our yummy stuffed burritos are then going to fry in about 4 inches of hot oil. We want the oil to be about 350 degrees. We're going to cook each side of the burrito till it's nice and crisp and yummy. The result is a yummy, crispy, slightly spicy breakfast burrito that disappeared pretty quickly when I made it. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe and article, visit PenalCentral.com.